Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats so that we can start the signature ceremony. I would like now to invite the Prime Minister of Aruba, Ms. Evelyn Wever-Croes. She's going to sign another inter-regional, this time, multi-annual indicative program. And she's doing so as the incoming chair of OCTA on behalf of all OCTs. That particular agreement, program rather, is worth 15 million euros, and it will establish platforms to foster the dialogue and peer learning in joint initiatives for sustainable development. Ms. Evelyn Wever-Croes, would you like to please come back for a signature, this time for Aruba itself? It's a new financing agreement, this time worth 14.2 million euros to support Aruba's digital transition. So I would like to invite Ms. Evelyn Wever-Croes, Prime Minister of Aruba, but also incoming chair of OCTA, to deliver her concluding remarks.
Before closing, I would like to express some words on behalf of the Aruba government with reference to the different topics discussed today. First of all, we express our gratitude for the appointment as OCTA chair. We reiterate our commitment to enhance the cooperation efforts between the OCTs and the European Commission, as stated in a political declaration and in a joint conclusions, as well as to enhance the cooperation between the OCTs. Aruba has shown its resilience after COVID with a stronger economic growth aiming to a sustainable economic development. And as I always say, Aruba has not just bounced back, but we are bouncing forward. If we want the OCTs to become stronger and more resilient, it is imperative to take into account the challenges of scale and capacity of OCTs. Despite these challenges, we envision the sustainable development of Aruba. As OCT, we want to contribute in the fight against climate change. Aruba has aligned all stakeholders into a national energy policy aimed at complying with the Paris Agreement. Also, Aruba, together with the Netherlands, organized the first Caribbean Energy and Climate Conference in 2023. Last week, Aruba organized the first STEMX Youth Summit with the participation of more than 100 youth between the ages of 14 and 18 to stimulate their curiosity and interest in various topics within the world of STEM. To the SYSTEM project by the University of Aruba, funded by the 11th EDF, and which will officially be completed in May of this year. This way, Aruba is working towards ensuring a greater participation of youth in a sustainable future. To finalize, I want to thank the European Commission for concluding the financial agreement for the digital transformation under the multi-annual indicative program for Aruba, which was just signed. Aruba has designed an e-government vision, a digital transformation of government services to serve its citizens and businesses better and to enhance transparency. We hope that this program can be illustrated as a best practice for other OCTs to follow. I look forward to welcoming you all to Aruba next year for the 21st OCTs EU Forum. Thank you very much.